Are your brakes making strange noises or vibration? If you say yes, keep listening. This could be because your brake rotors are worn out. Brake rotors need to be smooth and even to provide effective braking performance. Over time, they can develop grooves, ridges, or other imperfections that can cause noise, vibrations, and poor braking power. If the damage is minor, resurfacing the rotor can restore their smoothness. However, if the damage is severe, it may be necessary to replace them altogether. To determine whether your rotors or drums needs resurfacing or replacement, take your car to a certified mechanic. They can inspect the rotors and drums and recommend the appropriate maintenance. And of course, at Max Advanced Brakes, we've always got you covered.